Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the power supply unit, unlatch and remove the system's base cover. Then, unlatch and remove the front bezel from the system. Find the front panel and flip it over. Identify the power supply unit and disconnect the cables. Remove the 3 screws and the latch. Slide and lift the unit out of the system. To reinstall the power supply unit, place it back in the system and relatch it, and reconnect the cables. Tighten the 3 screws. Flip the front panel. Secure the front bezel and base cover on the system. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.